Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing and first look of a new Casio watch that I got. This is the Casio SGW-100. The variant is 2BER and the model is 3157. Inside the box we have a really large manual explaining all the functions, warranty information and so on. The watch comes in a really nice display case. So probably my first Casio that did come with such case. Here's the watch itself. Okay, so let's go really quickly to the basic functions. So we have a digital compass, a thermometer, AL backlit, world time, stopwatch, 5 alarms, and 20 bar water resistance, which is 200 meters. So the case size is 48 millimeters. This is across, measured from here to here. Then if you want to know the size between the buttons, so measurement from here to here is 46. The thickness is 1.3 centimeters, and even that this watch doesn't have some pronounced lugs. The lug to lug measured from here to here is 51 millimeters. So the specs looks really huge, but let me show you that the watch wears a little bit smaller than. So for comparisons, here is my G-Shock GA100 MC1A, and as you can see, this is also a 51 millimeters case with 55 lug to lug. But if you compare it with the 48, it looks really small, and also 51 lug to lug. So yeah. Okay, so let's continue with more information. So the wrist size, it will accommodate a 22 centimeter wrist to the latest, or so I say for the first spot here. This is a single lug design. We have a mineral glass on the watch face, and the case is resin, also the strap. Functions wise, we have let me see, where is here's the mode. So we have time, obviously the date and the month. Seconds are on the bottom here, and we have another time zone. Then of course a stopwatch, timer and alarm. And this watch is equipped with the twin sensor, and it should be actuated somewhere right here. Let me check it. Okay, so you have to cycle back to the time, and then you can push the button and it will display, I don't know if you can see it, it will display your position and the temperature, and this is the call to calibrate the device. Okay, so overall really a nice Casio offering for around 65 US dollars. You can choose from 3 variants. This is the black with the blue highlights on the case and with a orange button, and compass highlights here. Then you can choose a black and silver combo, and there is also a black, silver and gray. Illumination, I don't know if you can see it. So the illumination is not that impressive, but of course you are paying around $65 for a watch, so don't expect a really high lumens. So the strap is mounted to the case via these lugs here. I don't know if these are replaceable. Looks like a proprietary design, which mostly is with Casios. And like I mentioned, this one wears probably significantly smaller. If you would expect a 48 millimeter watch, please keep that in mind. I was expecting a larger watch, and yeah, this now looks a little bit small on my wrist, so I probably will end up returning it. But as I might say, is a really beautiful design. Nice logo here on the keeper. So overall, if you are in the market for a Casio which has a directional reading compass and thermometer or temperature measurement device, then it is one option out there. But nowadays we probably all have smartphones, so yeah. Okay, so this was the Casio SGW-100. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. And if you're not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes also other stuff regarding my other hobbies. With that being said, I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.